sure we're gonna be doing today, but I'll make sure to vlog a ton so you guys can see what we do. So yeah, I'm just gonna get dressed now. I'm gonna lock the door so like if Susie walks in.
From Ron John, and then my shorts are from American Eagle. I have white Vans and some ice.
Have a quick dinner somewhere, and then we're going to, kind of.
And then I'm wearing a shell necklace, a shirt from American Eagle, and shorts from I don't know where, and then black Vans. So yeah. It's so pretty down here. Like there's so many palm trees.
Nolan, somebody just relax.
Wow. Tumblr. Love my dad's shirt. Tumblr. Ah. All the Visco girls are really super nice. For real.
We found some bucket hats.
Yeah. Okay, so it was kind of a mess, but we're gonna try to drag the rabbit.
Hi. How did you go there? Hot product. What's this? Okay. There's a candy. I'm leaving it.
No other color is there.
I got cherry.
Or watermelon. Oh my god, sour melon. Okay. Now I'm gonna get sweet tropical fruit. Oh, sorry, Nolan. It's raining and thundering now.
We're Mexican.
Okay, we're at Mexico. There we go. Okay, hey guys. So, we're using Susie's phone as a flashlight.
This is good.
We're back to go to the wax museum. We just finished eating. It was so good.
I'm so full.
So not.
But I can probably go for dessert. JK.
Okay, peace out. I'll vlog when I'm there.
Why is that gonna stay up there? Hey, Mommy, how did that stay up there?
I don't know, buddy. It's high up there.
You feel better? Okay, we made it to the wax museum. I know I look kind of ugly because I've been through a lot. Oh, my hair was in your mouth? Oh, I bet you like that.
I did.
Oh, but yeah, this is the wax museum.
It's so tumbled.
I know, we're gonna take a pic with Danny DeVito.
We love him.
Sorry, my hair's like really frizzy, kind of ugly right now. But yeah, I'll vlog inside.
Danny?
Say thank you.
We're in the
No,
we're in the mirrors.
Let's go, boys. It's just mirrors.
you're not going to do this.
Thank goodness you're here.
Oh my
Queen
gosh,
Effie and I
Queen.
are so worried about her.
Oh my gosh.
Uh-oh.
Kind of like.
Oh, wow. I walked.
Where are we?
Look at him. He hasn't had a ball. Sorry,
sure it doesn't.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
I'm not putting my.
I don't want to.
Don't have
I don't want to put my hand out. It's right here, sis. Wait, does it lead to the same place?
Which way do we go, Nolan?
Wait,
Oh.
where are we?
Don't walk too fast.
Susie, where are you? Where are you?
Nolan got slammed, ran into a mirror. No, I went through that one. This is something, right?
Oh my gosh.
Nolan, slow down.
This is so chippy. I can't.
Look, I think that's the king and the queen from Shrek. That's who they look like.
It's right
This way. I'm scared.
Where are you going, buddy? What's going on?
Where are we, Susie? Where's no one? Where?
Not that way.
What's right here?
It's a dead end.
This music hyped me up.
Oh no.
Or no, is this a trick again?
It is a trick.
I think it is too.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, it's not that one.
How do you know?
Oh, she's talking to us. We're close. She says we're close. Please help me.
It's over here.
Not this one.
This one.
It's
right
over
here.
That one?
What is this? Oh, this one. Oh my gosh.
I thought it was going up.
This is so scary.
I don't like this, y'all.
No.
Whoa. Oh my god, princess!
Hey, buddy. Oh, they don't lift up.
Yeah, they do.
They do not.
Try the other one. Right there.
Where?
Behind you.
Oh, I was gonna say, I know I saw a picture with some of them.
Oh, fake. I need everybody on this picture. I need one. I need one good one.
Your dad needs a moment.
Alright, we might wanna move on. Oh my god, cute. Who is that?
No. Callie.
Bob Marley.
One here. You need one too.
Who's this girl?
Oh, what if it had Mr.
I don't even know.
Craig?
Mr. Clean.
Yeah, Susie's here. Oh. Oh. Wait.
I can't see.
Oh my god, Michael.
What? Michael Jackson. What's police? For real.
Julia Roberts.
Wait, ready? 5, 7, 7.
So I'm editing, and Sorry about that on my eye. I don't really know what it is. Kind of allergic to something, I think, but we're going to bed and I'm editing and I forgot to do an outro, so this was Myrtle Beach day 1. So yeah, I hope you guys like this. I'll be vlogging maybe all the days. Should I? Okay. Oh my god, it keeps doing this. Well, anyways, thank you for watching. Peace out.